Welcome to another Clipchamp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to crop a video in Clipchamp. Alright, so you can see here, I've already added a video right here. Now, in order to crop a video, just go ahead and go to the screen right here, right click on it and hit on crop. Alright, click on it. And as you can see, there are these lines right here that you can just drag. Alright, for example, you wanted to crop this section right here. Once that's done, or once you're okay with that, just hit on the check icon right here. Click, and that's how you crop. All right. Another way to crop, for example, I'm just going to click on the clip right here. And as you can see, crop button is available right here at the very top. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it with the same process. Hit on crop. All right. Once you're okay with that, hit on the check mark. Click, and it is now cropped. Now, if you wanted to just crop a specific clip, you're going to want to go ahead and find the clip. For example, this one. I'm going to cut it. All right. And well, maybe this one. All right. I'm going to hit on crop and then crop it at the center right here. All right. I'm okay with that. I'm going to hit on done and let's play it. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.